Okay, so their sign doesn't say Garcia's, but it is Garcia's in Hendersonville. It just says Mexican Grill. As you can see right there, it's Garcia's Taqueria. But anyway, it's a little tiny place. I haven't been in there yet, but we're about ready to go in and check it out. But everybody asked people what's their favorite Mexican food, and they said this is one of the places. A lot of people said they like this place, so we're gonna give it a once over, try everything out. Remember the salsa rule, don't forget. Okay, so you said we got room over there. They have a slide up door.
They have like a garage door, like so that little area right over there. You walk in and
that area?
A little area, and then it's a slide up garage door which has a
it's like for private. Yeah, that's great. That's beautiful. I like this place. They really decorated it nice. Oh, here we go. There's the roll. Ready? So I'm looking at it and I'm thinking watery. That's just, I see no chunkiness to it. But there's a lot in it. So they may make up for it for ingredients. All right, give it a try.
It's pretty good. Got a lot of flavor.
Here we go. Here we go. Wow. Not only is it really good, but it's really different than any other place we go to. It's got a really, I mean, you can feel, it just has a different feel in your mouth. It's really good. I like it. Okay guys, I'm not gonna show you all of it. I'll just show you from a distance. This is only the first page and there's two more. This place, this is unbelievable. This little hole in the wall, probably mom and pop place, is putting out an amazing selection. And they design these menus with pictures. I love pictures that sells the food. Absolutely love it. And look, they have bacon wrapped jalapenos, like most jalapenos in White House. So yeah, so this is very exciting. Good salsa, good menu, good design. I'm liking everything so far, guys. Okay, this is the first, guys. They've got my favorite, which is Valentina's. Then they got the hot sauce, chili habanero, and then tapatio. They literally have 3 hot sauces to choose from. If you like really mild, go with this one. You like medium, go with tapatio. You like hot, go with that middle one. This place keeps impressing me. This is beautiful. You can get, what, 3 or 6?
3 or 6.
Wait. No, that is 6. Wait, that looks like 7. I'm sorry, I thought we got one too many. Anyway, all right, you want to do the review on this?
Sure.
They're usually wrapped in bacon and stuff with cream cheese.
That's
and
there.
probably, what's this dip?
That's ranch, but I ain't touching that.
Is that ranch?
Yeah, I ain't touching that.
What, you like ranch?
No, I don't.
Oh, you don't? Is it hot, hot? Oh, you're dripping there.
Good.
Really? Is it better than Los Jalapenos?
I don't know. It's just good. It's hot.
Oh. All right, let's give this a try. Try this one. I like them better than Los Jalapenos. I love Los Jalapenos, but
They're just different.
these are just a little different. They're juicier. The juiciest jalapenos I've ever eaten in my life. I've never been into a jalapeno and it had juice coming out. It's unbelievable. I don't know how they're cooking them, but they're really good. Okay, guys, this is a mountain. Look at that. Look at that. It's a mountain of fajitas. This is the Viva Mexico one. It's got everything. It's got chicken, steak, shrimp, and chorizo and mushrooms. It just looks beautiful. I'm only gonna eat like a third of this.
Look how big that shrimp is.
Wow. That's some of the biggest shrimp I've ever gotten a fajita. I can't even look at my shrimp. Hey, what did you get?
I got
what's interesting?
enchiladas. Like it's got beans, cheese, chicken.
What is that lump of
beef.
meat right there?
It's probably beef.
Wow. That's beautiful. Look how much sour cream. Look at that. Okay, guys. Is there guacamole there?
No.
No. Okay, I want to show you something. Look how much sour cream I got. Huge amount of sour cream. Oh, unbelievable. And I'm just impressed in the amount they're serving. Everybody else is skimping. Okay, go ahead and try that out. Let's see if it's any good. Is your mouth drooling? Did I just catch drool coming out of your mouth like that?
It's just peanut butter.
Just try the napkin. I don't care. No, just kidding. Good? Mm-hmm. Okay, guys. The one thing I'm noticing is it's also got carne asada. I've got to tell you. But look at that. Just looks. It looks so tender and juicy. This is fajitas. I order them all the time, but this looks above and beyond. All right. Sorry. We're gonna try all this. And we'll let you know afterwards how everything is. Okay, when I go outside and tell you guys how much meat's in this dish, I'm just gonna show you a quick. Look at how much meat. Oh my gosh. Viva la Mexico. Look how much meat is in this dish. This is just one piece. Look how huge that is. Wow. Unbelievable. Most of the meat's covered with the sour cream and the sauce. Okay guys, I'm showing you this because I'm a little embarrassed that I am stuffed. Look how much is still left on our plate. The fajita plate, and I'm stuffed. Plenty of meat. I'm gonna be able to make 2 more meals out of this. Wow. Okay, so I gotta say, this is my new thing. This is my place. This is my jam. This is the place. The chips were warm. The salsa's good. The whole menu's packed. It'll take me years to go through that menu and try everything. The jalapenos were so juicy. Unbelievable. The meat is the most meat I've ever seen in fajitas ever. The service was great. The prices were good. I didn't even check the prices yet. Okay, the prices were good. The food was outstanding.
That was $17.99.
That was $17.99. A plus, A plus, A plus. I cannot say enough about this place. No wonder when I asked what's the best Mexican food in Hendersonville, everybody said Garcia's. Somebody said Gracias. No, it's called Garcia's. But you have to check because they're not open every day. I don't think, or maybe they are, and they weren't open yesterday, were they?
I think there was something going on.
Yeah, something was going on, but I think they're open every day though. I can't say enough, guys. If you've never been here, you shouldn't be in Hendersonville. You should move now. If you're in the vicinity of this place, all jokes aside, I give this place a definite A plus, and everything that touched my lips was amazing. So good. Alright, so I want you all to go out of your way to show them some love, because we need more places like this. This was a little hole in the wall. I didn't even know it was here. I knew there was a pizza place around the corner, but I didn't know this place was here. These guys are blowing it up. So let them know you saw it on the show, and I will see you in the next episode. I love you. Bye.